Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking for this video. Thank you very much. If you are watching us for the first time, please help us to subscribe, press the notification bell to all. So in this video, as you see, this is the leaf, sesame leaf. My husband brought home from out yesterday. So I want to plug this leaf. If you know, this leaf is very good. So I've already prepared the soup on my YouTube channel. It's on my YouTube channel. I will put the link of the soup on my
video description.
On this video. So here is the leaf. If you get this leaf, it's very good. So we want to plug it and dry it. Okay, so and it's very good.
So beautiful people, thank you for joining us. We just want to use this opportunity to sympathize with our fellow Nigerians back in Nigeria that are having one or two challenges regarding their financial lives. Okay, because in the past we are meant to believe that once you work for your money, you get access to your money. But in today's, it's no longer the case. Okay, it's a different thing for you to work for your money and you have the money has been paid. Okay, now for you to now try to get access to the money is a different issue. Okay, because if you watch on social media, there's a lot of different occurrences of people, you know, having some serious challenges on how to access their money. Like there's a video I saw, a woman almost got, you know, naked because of she couldn't access her money.
Yes.
She was going very crazy in the bank. Okay, so I saw the one that was trending. Two men were fighting in the bank with some melters, you know, wanted to eat each other.
Their own money.
Their own money is not, you know, anything. And the new currency, you know, has not been in circulation. And the old currency has a deadline, which is about just less than a few days. So a lot of people have been rejecting the money. So that is why a lot of people are not accepting the old money anymore. And the new money is not available like that. Even those are one of the reasons why when we went to Nigeria, we couldn't stay too long. Because I saw a lot of issues of, you know, accessing money. You know, and it's not everything you want to buy. You will probably do transfer. A lot of people don't accept transfer. They don't believe in transfer as per se because of some issues. Some people, they believe when they do transfer, it's not legitimate. So they want physical cash. And getting to the bank to withdraw money is a very big issue. I remember when we went to Idumota, that's in Eko, you know, the biggest market, you know, at Nnamdi Azikiwe Bank, precisely GTB Bank, you know, I wanted to withdraw money, you know, we're having some cash, so, but I needed more. So I wanted to withdraw money. I just told her, okay, please hold the keys, let me quickly withdraw money. Oh my goodness. At the ATM, I couldn't get cash. I got there, people said cash has finished. I said, okay, fine, this is my bank. Let me go in and withdraw the cash. Getting there, I spent close to 1 hour just to withdraw some token, money less than $100. Let me, you know, get some things in the market. We're in the market. So it looked as if I went to the bank to go and sleep, but it wasn't like that. At the bank there, you know, I know what I faced before I could get some cash. At the bank there, I could remember vividly the cashier, you know, the people in the bank said, please, oh, anyone who wants to deposit, come this way. So they are waiting for, we are waiting for, I was in the bank to pick up to cash out my money, but there is no cash. Okay, now the bank is telling people on the queue, if you want to deposit, please come this way, so that they can collect the money and give to us. So it was a very big challenge. So those are one of the reasons why we couldn't really do much video. A lot of like limitations. The kids are also there, you know. So we just have to quickly thank God before we went, we have our return ticket. So that shouldn't be an issue, because in a situation where you want to do transaction, people are telling you they need cash. And even though you want to do POS, you know, man, there's a lot of issues. So when I saw two people fighting inside the bank, not just maybe exchanging blow or anything or quarreling, carrying melter, trying to like as if we are watching a movie. And it's a very serious thing. The woman I saw that removed her clothes in the bank, that said that's a child supposed to be in school, you know, money issue, she needs money and she's not accessing the money. I saw a man, you know, just some videos, I saw a man, he sat on the floor, you know, like, we'll die here today, you know, something like that. So it's really
frustrated.
The man is really frustrating, and this whole issue is frustrating. You know, a lot of things, something you're supposed to do for like an hour, you may spend a day trying to do that same thing. So it's like some limitation and all that. This reminds me of the prophecy the man of God, Prophet Joshua said.
If you know Prophet
that was it's close to this 2016. 7 years now, about 7 years prophecy. You know, we'll watch the video. So it was saying that is an old story.
Yes.
You know, you have money, you think you have money. It's not
the money.
The money is not for you alone. It's for the whole world, the people, everyone. You know, they will give you condition how to access your money. You know, give me my money will be an old story. Yes. You know, so it's what the video.
You will use your money to collect money.
God. Some of these prophecies have, you know, it's a very big challenge. So this is why we are here to sympathize with our fellow
so how to
Nigerians.
Package life.
And this is how to, you know, because
Prophet just has said people should go to farm.
Yes.
So that the economy of this money issue
just the challenges, the inflation. So beautiful people, thank you for watching. Let's watch the video, okay, and let's see what it says.
So I want to advise you, from now till December, just believe that I want to give you a position. You know, when a farmer is farming, cutting the grass, trying to farm, it's a hard period for them. You know that? That is the stage you are now. It means when a farmer is farming, cutting the grass, trying to put, to plant the seed and all that. At the same time, he will be looking at the little he has, so he can save them till when this one will be what? Grow. So you have to continue to cut your coat according to your size. Don't just continue spending your money on something that is not going to help you. The life we live in the past, don't stop that. Your money, spend it on something. People will be looking for food. You know the kind of food. You have so much land. For the meantime, nobody to buy it. Don't invest anything about that. Invest on something that the whole world looking for: food, shelter, cattle rearer. And if you have so much in the saving, good. That so much is not for you alone. It's not for you alone. You enjoy it, other two will enjoy it, since it's not in your possession. Yes. When you stand to say I'm a millionaire, and the whole million is in the saving, no, you are not a millionaire. The money belongs to the whole world, the whole nation, and you. You cannot just have access of getting it. They have to give you the law and rule on how to get it. So it's an old story. I need my money. I want to do it. The story will change.
So beautiful people, as we could see, that is the video you watch. So it's just a confirmation to what is happening now. So all these things there's nothing new, okay? So it's just that people needs to be aware and
package their life very well.
See how to, you know, so that you can overcome all these challenges. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video. So
this is my sesame level. We are going to prepare it.
Watch out how we are going to use it to prepare a different kind of so bye bye.